TCL 306, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So firstly you have to go to settings, then go to the security and biometrics, fingerprint, select your backup screen lock method. It could be pattern, PIN or password. I'll just select PIN, then enter your PIN, confirm it. The next step, select if you want to see notifications on the lock screen. You can show all notifications or any. Tap done and then tap add fingerprint. Find the fingerprint sensor, which is located here, and tap it with your finger several times, just like this, until it remembers your finger. And fingerprint aided. And now, for example, you can unlock your device by tapping like fingerprint with your finger without even tapping on the power button. You just tap it, tap sensor, and device instantly unlocks, like without any pin. Just tap and it's unlocked. What a miracle. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.